Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So all you need to do is to press the combination of keys, basically the power button, which is located right here, and volume up button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. Here we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing both buttons. It should take approximately 10 seconds. All right, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. I felt the vibration. We've got the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers in that moment. And now all we need to do is to simply wait until the soft reset will be finished and our device will be powered on again. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.